Hi there. Today I want to demonstrate how to patch the small holes in your walls. Like sometimes this is about like a 4-inch by 4-inch hole. So I'm going to demonstrate how quickly and easy to patch instead of calling somebody, you know, spending like hundreds of dollars. It's just pretty much like educational. So what you need to do, you gotta, all the thing you need to buy from the store is something like this, like it's a powder, you know, patching set. They come in a 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 45 minutes, and 90 minutes. So like 20 minutes, I would suggest to get 20 minutes so you have enough time to work with. So you don't have to go crazy and buy all the stuff like patching spatula like this, and you know, like spend like $10-15 for this, you know. I mean, if you're at home, it's good. If you don't, I just use the Dunkin Donuts cup, for example. You know, it's not a big deal. So all you have to do, usually what they do, they put the piece of wood, screw, and then take a piece of drywall and screw it there. So today I'm gonna try to show you how to do it without all the stuff. All you need to do, take a piece of like metal or wood, you know, just go sideways like this. Not much, just a little. So if you have this piece of drywall, you know, maybe you did some work like electrical work or plumbing work, you cut the drywall, you save the piece, you just go like this, don't push all the way. If you have a spatula, you just go like this, make it nice and straight. I would call this is just a, so let it set for, you know, if you have a fan, you can run the fan, let it set for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes you apply another layer. So I'm gonna come back after this one set. I'm gonna come back and then show the rest how to do this. All right, we let it dry. We use the heat gun. It's good enough, so I'm just touching, doesn't move, so that means it's dried enough. So we can apply the layer. So I'm gonna demonstrate that really quick, and then I would call this patching the drywall without any screws, without any wood. So this is not a big hole, so you just go apply the, see, I'm not using like a special tools for these. I just use the cup. I didn't spend money on a, you know, special mixing cup, whatever. And then I'm just showing it the best way. You have time, you can save yourself money instead of hiring, you know, the guys. I know they do the professional job, but you can do pretty much the same thing. Like this is not a big hole. So all you need something like this, or you take a piece of wood like size of this, or maybe a little bigger, you can do with the wood. So I have this spatula, I'm gonna show you. It's easier when you work on the actual wall, but you know, this is just educational. Okay, I mean, it's pretty much done. So after this dry, what you need to do, you just take a sanding paper like this, or any sanding paper. Like for example, take a sanding paper that has to dry really good, and then just sand it, smooth it, it will be ready for paint. It's very simple. It might take you like 15-20 minutes, and you can patch it, and you're gonna have nice and straight wall, and after that ready to paint. Any questions, please subscribe to my channel, and then I would love to post more videos.